I made this out of cardboard and it can lift stuff using water. It's called hydraulics, people. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to make one step by step. First, let's figure out what materials and tools we need. You're going to need some straws, and the sturdier the better, some bamboo skewers and something to cut them with, like a dowel cutter or some heavy duty scissors. You'll need some binder clips and like a nail to put holes in something or an awl, some scissors, a utility knife, some zip ties, a hot glue gun with some hot glue sticks, a ruler, pony beads, 2 syringes with some tubing that fits snugly over the tips. These are 10 mil syringes, and of course some really good 2-ply cardboard. And of course all of this is linked in the description if you want to get it online. We'll start by cutting 8 identical cardboard strips for your scissor arms. You can make it taller if you want, but you need them in multiples of 4. And mine are 6 inches long and then about 1.5 inches wide. The key here is keeping everything the same size so your lift moves smoothly. Next, use your nail or a awl to poke holes at equal distance along each strip. You're going to need one exactly in the middle and then on each side. And be sure you have them like the same distance from each of the edges. These will become your pivot points. Next, we're going to connect our pieces using the bamboo skewers as axles, the straws as spacers, and then the pony beads as plugs at the end. You can also try putting pony beads between the cardboard linkages for a smoother lift. For the pony beads at the end, I like to put a little bit of hot glue on the bamboo axle, and then I slide the pony bead over the glue and let it dry before it touches any other cardboard parts. If the hot glue touches the cardboard linkages, you're going to have a lot of friction, so try to avoid this if possible. I started with 1 bamboo skewer and 4 linkages. I made 2 X's on each end of the bamboo skewer, call this 1 unit, and then make another one of these units. Then you're going to put these units in the X configuration and then on top of each other, and then you'll connect the outside X's of the lower and the upper unit together using the bamboo skewer, straw spacer, and pony bead plug at the end method. You might need a friend to help you with this, but eventually you'll get some sort of scissor action that can accordion up and down. Next, you're going to make a platform for your lift to sit on, and then you're going to make these 2 side slits that your lowermost bamboo skewer can slide into, and then put a pony bead on the outside of it. This makes sure that your lift doesn't lift up when you're pushing the syringe back and forth. You also want to make a little cardboard tab and then just glue it on either side of the other bottom straw axle combination to keep your lift from moving up and down. You need to make a similar upper platform that your upper bamboo skewers can go through so that you have something for whatever you're lifting to sit on. And now for the extra fun part. You're going to fill one of your syringes with water, and so the plunger is going to be pulled out. Then you're going to connect the tubing to that syringe and then the other end of the tubing to the other syringe, but make sure that the plunger is actually plunged in. So the one with the water in it should be out and the other one should be in. This creates a closed system, so when you press down on one of the plunger, the other one should go out and vice versa. Next, I use some zip ties to secure my syringe to the bottom of my platform, carefully measuring so that when the syringe is plunged out, it actually pushes the axle to make the lift go up. And then when I pull the syringe back, the lift comes down. I had to add a little cardboard piece to the end of my plunger to make sure that it actually hit the bottom axle. So there you have it, a cardboard prototype of a hydraulic lift. The next step in the engineering design process would be to make all of these parts in CAD, 3D print them, laser cut them, and then make a more sophisticated hydraulic lift. This was the first time I've ever made a lift, so there were a couple of snags. I definitely could have lined up my linkages a little bit better, but hey, I'm happy with what I got. Let me know in the comments if you think I should have done something differently or what yours looked like. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm always posting different cardboard creations for you to try. Thanks for watching.